morning everyone, I am Datta Prasad and this is MES Innovatives. Today we have yet another episode of mesmerizing interviews with our own MES students. We all know that NCC, NSS are all a big part of the college life, and it is one of the dreams of the NCC officers to be part of the Republic Day parade held at the very own New Delhi. Today we have one of those students who have had the amazing opportunity of being there at this amazing Republic Day parade. Let us all today talk and interview with Chinmayi R. Aital, who is from 3rd BSc Botany Zoology combination. Welcome Chinmayi. Thank you for being part of this mesmerizing interview. I'll fire off with the first question. Can you describe your experience participating in the Republic Day celebrations in New Delhi as an NCC cadet?
My experience is amazing. It was my dream from PUC, but I couldn't because of Corona. I've got the chance and it feels amazing.
That's wonderful. It is almost, as you said, it is a dream of every NCC cadet to be there at that parade. So what kind of preparation and training did you undergo leading up to the Republic Day parade? Because I know you guys were involved in a lot of, team building exercises, and I think you had a pretty long train travel to Delhi.
Actually, I was a part of cultural team, so we had only cultural practices. The drill people had practice from the morning. We, as cultural team, we used to get breaks, but we used to practice till night 12, 1. We have practice and morning from 6 again. So,
wow. Talk about dedication. Now I have my friend Bhavana, also from MES Innovatives team, who's going to be asking the next few questions.
Hello, this is Bhavna.
hello Chinmayi. Hi Bhavna.
Now I will be continuing with the questions. How did it feel to march in Republic Day parade in front of such a large audience and in front of Prime Minister?
It was an incredible experience. As I was part of cultural team, I couldn't be the part of drill. But at the last moment, I got to be the part of Prime Minister's rally. We could see Prime Minister very closely. I got the opportunity to meet many other dignitaries, VIPs in the tea parties also, because I was a part of cultural team. We were in close touch with the
Can you share any incident?
I got the chance to visit the house of Chief of Air Staff and the Director General of NCC and Prime Minister's house. I went to all the three houses. So I'm happy that I got the chance to visit
Yeah,
all.
you are the lucky one. Can you share any memorable moments or interaction that you had with your fellow NCC cadets or officials during the event?
As a part of cultural team, I got to mingle with many other directorates, people with cadets of many other directorates. They were very friendly and I've made some friends also.
That's really nice. Next, my friend Anya will be continuing with this interview.
Hello, I am Hania. Hi Chinmayi.
Hi Hania.
So I'll be further continuing with the interview. So Chinmayi, since you told us about this amazing experience that you had, I want to know about your traveling experience. How was it?
RDC 2024, the cadets, we had an opportunity to travel through flight. And all the other years, they were traveling through train. We had a very great opportunity and I feel happy that I've got the opportunity, first opportunity to travel through flight by RDC.
That's amazing. That's really nice for your first experience. And what about coming back?
Coming back, I got to know more people, so it was fun and memorable to be with them. By coming back, we got 3 days to enjoy in the train.
This brings us to an end of another amazing, mesmerizing interview. So this has been a wonderful episode. We've learned so much about the Republic Day parade, how it is a matter of pride to be an MES student. So this brings us to an end of another MES mesmerizing interview. Thank you so much. This is MES Innovatives YouTube channel. I am Datta Prasad signing off. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to our official YouTube channel. Signing off.